off. In the silence of the city lights, I hear echoes of desert nights, golden winds on a broken sky, whisper stories I can't deny. I walk alone but I feel the sound, like the earth is spinning me around. Every heartbeat speaks in waves, calling me back to forgotten days.
And I don't know where I belong, but the rhythm keeps me strong. Take me deeper in the sound, let my soul fall underground.
Sacred track, yeah, qalbi, don't let go. Feel the rhythm take control. In the deep night flow, let the desert glow. I surrender to the beat, where the silence and my heart meet. Yeah, the shadows on ancient sand, modern dreams in a distant land. Every step feels like a prayer, floating softly in empty air. I hear voices in the deep bass line, like a memory I can't define. Between the past and what will be, I find a version of me I see.
To saying I'm in my hands, pull me closer to the sound, let my world slow down.